Hi friends, how are you? I hope you are quite well. Today I have 25 cards for Adobe Illustrator EPS file, and these cards have 5 different color. So here is 125 files. Every folder have 5 templates. I mean 5 color. Every color is different in CMYK. You can change easily in Adobe Illustrator. Here is EPS file and you can use it. These files are EPS, just icon on PSD. You can see here, you can change it easily. So first I drag this file on Adobe Illustrator, drag here, and missing font 5, so you need fonts, so it's don't worry, it's very easy to find on web, don't shock in. Okay, welcome. So first time open Photoshop, Adobe Illustrator, select text area, and recent font is a top Arabic regular, so here a top regular, so you can add or install fonts if you want. Okay, first this shape and change color is very simple. Double click here and sky or green, yellow. Okay, and you can adjust your own QR barcode or QR bar. Adjust this color, double click. Okay, oh sorry, here is yellow. So you can change it, green, yellow, black, you can see. Okay, I know you better can do. So back, first I show you the templates view. First every file have 2 files, for first front and back. Your logo, drag to Adobe Illustrator. Wow, you can change color, you can write any title. For example, I write my channel name, or my name, Sheri Sk. Okay, you can change your barcode or change color. You can change everything easily and deeply. So I close this file. Okay, and open other file, business card template 25. Here is 5 color with different style. Green, Michael Johnson, Sheri Sk, creative director, and here is my WhatsApp number, +92 is my country code, 34151432002. This is my WhatsApp number, and my email is thesherisk@gmail.com, and my website is the SheriSk.com www. I know you search on Google, you don't need for www. And my homeland is Jhelum, Punjab, Pakistan, Pakistan, Pakistan. Oh. It's just your own logo or your company name. So I hope this data is useful for you. Kindly subscribe me and take care. Allah Hafiz.